Okay, in this lesson we're going to open up Lesson 5. So go to File, Open, and go to your Lesson 5 folder. And it's this middle one, L5 Pen and Pencil Tool. Let's double click and open that one up. And you'll be presented with several different artboards. Let's start with the very left one. We're going to be learning how to use our pen tool. This is the most important tool you're going to learn. And this is our pen tool here. And the first thing we're going to do is just zoom in a little bit and do this thing called the zigzag. Okay, so all you're going to do is connect the dots. Just like you did when you were a kid. You played dot to dot. Well, we're just going to collect the anchor points here. It's just click, 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 and click. Okay. And then down here it says Command click to deselect. Now what does that mean? Well, let me show you what that means. We're going to start our second line segment here. Click and, oh, see what happens? So what happened here was Illustrator did not know that I intended to start a brand new line segment. So I'm going to back up, Command Z, and Command click will deselect your line. So it won't keep continuing to your next line segment. So Command click deselects it, and then it's click, shift click, holding your shift key down makes a perfect straight line. Okay, and then again, Command click to deselect. If you're on a PC, it's Control click. Okay, now let's just go up here to ellipses and triangles. And once again, I'm going to zoom in on this here. Let me get my zoom tool. Okay, this is where the power of Illustrator begins. When you're doing a curved line, a perfectly curved line, this is the only tool that really works well. So we're going to click on our anchor point and hold down your mouse and pull. That's the trick, is click pull. When you want to do a curve, it's click pull, and when you want to do a straight line, it's just click. So click pull, come down here, click pull, hold your shift key down to get a constrained path, and then close your paths. See the little circle by the pen tool? This is the visual clue that you're closing your path. So click, holding your shift key down, and close the path. Perfect. Okay, let's go down here. And we're going to do two unconstrained paths. So it's just click, pull towards the red dot, and it's click, pull. That means I'm not using my shift key. That's an unconstrained path, and click, pull again. Beautiful, clean ovals. Okay, let's see. Let's go down a little bit further, and we're going to do our zigzag. This is just click, 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 and close the path. Okay, Command click and deselect. Okay, let's zoom out here. Okay, now let's come down to the bottom left and do what's called curves. Now once again, this is the power of Illustrator. And this took me a while to get, so I don't expect that you would get it right away. So we're going to first click the pen tool, which we are in already. And constrained curves means I'm going to be holding my shift key down when I'm pulling. So I'm going to click on one and pull, shift down to 2. Click on my next anchor point, 3. Shift click down. Click pull. I usually start pulling and then I hold my shift key down. So click pull. Click pull, and you can see how easy it is. So just practice a little bit, or a lot of it. Now remember, you've got to deselect this before you can start this one. So Command click deselects. Now these are unconstrained, so I don't need my shift key. This is just really easy. This is just click, click, pull. Gotta love it. Okay, and you can do the same here. If you want a little bit more specific directions, you can do this. I think it's somewhat intuitive once you get the hang of it here. There is a challenge here called the heart, and Let's do this one together. It's click, whoops, I didn't release my last path. Okay, Command Z and Command click. Sorry about that. So it's click pull. I'm going to go from 1 to 2, click pull from 3 to 4, click pull 5 to 6. Now this one you have to click back on the 5, just and let go. Then it's click pull on 8. Now here's the tricky one. Okay, we just did D. Okay, position cursor over anchor point at 9. Okay, this is my cursor. When a small loop appears next to the cursor, it should say pen tool, the next click closes the path. Okay, there it is, right? Okay, click and drag from anchor point 9 to red dot at 10. Okay, so I'm going to back up because I think I was supposed to click and pull. Okay, so I am. Okay, then option drag for the Macintosh, and I'm on a Mac. Option drag the handle from 11, see this, to 12. Voila. And there you have it. And this is the power of the pen tool.